Bunting want legal gun owners if you can get them totally easier. Don't be fully like a you are coolie. Yeah, gun.
Log on, Deep Roots.
Hello, I am Carla. I am watching Deep Roots TV. Woo!
Yeah, greetings in the name of the Most High, Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Bless, 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 no curse. Ladies and gentlemen, if this is your first time tuning in to the Rastaman channel, hit that red subscribe button and join the righteous channel. You know I'm Rastafari soldier, ladies and gentlemen, with the exploding rate of violence in the island of Jamaica. Yes, Peter Bunting, the bodies have been counting, says that he would like more law-abiding citizens in Jamaica to be able to legally own a firearm easier. The opposition spokesman and national security Peter Bunting want law-abiding Jamaicans to have easier access to owning their firearm. Now, people, imagine more weapons in the hands of Jamaicans. But are we going to debate? Would you rather more weapons that are legally traceable in the hands of Jamaicans or illegal weapons? Because they might go get their weapon anywhere, even if they make them weapon. Now, against the backdrop of the riveted crime, Bunting, who served as the Ministry of National Security between 2012 to 2016, was speaking to the local newspaper about the rights for more citizens of the island to be able to protect themselves against the criminal ways of the glooming nation 2.8 million inhabitants. The businessman and engineer by profession urged the Firearm Licensing Association to look deeply into assessing the situation in respect of who qualify for firearms to defend themselves. My approach when I was minister was that there should be no discrimination. Once you establish a set of criteria, the person must be fit and proper, the person must be competent, the person must have nothing negative in their background check terms of character, mental health, and their temperament. Then once you qualify, you should have a right just like anyone else that has their right. Anyone that has not continued or under the administration, said the government. The truth of the matter is, by choking the issue of license, you encourage corruption, stated Bunting. Now, leaders of opposition of business in Jamaica Senate also called the upper house. When we last People National Party administration issued more license, there was no increase in crime by licensed firearm holders. There were no increase in theft by firearm holders because we have a proper training and vetting system in place. And until the state can guarantee the people's safety, then the people should have the alternative to provide for their own safety. Bunting was responding to the imposition of a state of emergency by the government last Sunday that is confirmed to 7 police divisions. He repeated too that other measures also from the granting of the gun license could also be effective in the fight against crime that has earned Jamaica the reputation of one of the most murderous countries in the Western Hemisphere. The leader, PNP, Mark Golden, has gone a step further. Bunting said he has brought a private member of bill to Parliament. For example, to allow persons who might not want to go to the extent of firearm, but to lease able legally amount of certainty procedure to have pepper spray for their own protection. Many persons, ladies in particular, like to carry pepper spray dispenser in their handbag or on their person somehow, which can provide an immediate deterrent from their being physically assaulted. That's an intermediate step. Not everyone want to have the headache of walking around with a gun. So there are interims and intermediate issues and measures that we can use to help a person to protect themselves. Women in particular, I think, would welcome that as a clear legal alternative. Right now, it's in a sort of gray area. We see people with pepper spray canister, but it is not very clear whether they are operating legally or not, Bunting said. Now, ladies and gentlemen, me need you to chime in on this. Talk to me, my people. Talk to me. Get involved of your safety and your security. Do you think Jamaica, the population of Jamaica, needs more gun? Or them all get them gun anyway? Do you think that we should be giving licensed firearm to people on an easier rate? Because in a place like Florida and Texas, you can carry. America and them places, yeah, the gun violence up, but look, enough boy now running, because the Son of God will come in. You are going to people, you hear what we are talking about right now. Me want enough to give me your opinion. Peter Bunting is saying that Jamaican citizens should be granted the opportunity of having a licensed firearm easier. He said the red tape, the paperwork is causing people who are qualified to protect themselves not able to. He said until the government can guarantee the safety of the people, which no government can guarantee that. So don't you give up your freedom for safety. You guarantee, don't give up your liberty for the promise of safety. The only one that can protect you, you one the Most High. So if you qualify to have a legal firearm, Peter Bunting is saying that the government should make it easier, make the process easier. But the only thing we don't like, enough of the qualified firearm people, them are going to make the qualified firearm, legal firearm, end up in a people's hand. And then the more play ignorance and go on like them, they want to say they're taking away one of them are give them son and them brother and them friend figure do works. But again, enough of them are going to get catch and charge because a licensed firearm is usually ballistic tests and all of the information is written down. And that's why I agree with Peter Bunting. Give them the legal tool them so we can trace it. Because them will get illegal tool anyway. Give them the legal tool. You're going to. So when them running, a next man have a legal tool. Or when them out there do them idiotness, a next man have a legal tool. You are going to because enough of them boy are going like them foley. Just to them get a little machine, them want to go on like a them name God. You are guarantee. And the only person who them can play a bad pan are the innocent, the weak, the poor. You are guarantee a kick off man door. But if you know say me have something to put you back through the door, you will not run in. You are guarantee. Or else we are going to open up your head and make the Son of God come in. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. I'm reporting here live. The Approach TV, asking the people them to be wise. You are going to take, because the rich man said him wealth is in the city, and are there we there. Are there we there a slave for him. You are going to so plant your seed on solid ground, fertile ground. You are going to so me I say, Bunting I say, what we have, we told them easy, because Jamaica is like a movie. You are going to. So I'm asking you to hit that red subscribe button, people. You are going to give me your comments. Share up the file. If you have not subscribed, may I ask you to subscribe to the channel. Just become a part of the Rastaman panel. And when you subscribe to my channel, I don't want you just subscribe and sit down there. Me want you to leave your comment. Me want you to know. Say, are you me I do this for? And me want to have a whole conversation, more have a family. Because all of the people that must subscribe to my channel are the family, are the Day Approach family. You are guaranteed. So big up on yourself, bless up on yourself, do not stress up on yourself. A more life, and a more joy, and a more happiness. You know it's Rastafari soldier, and here I'm giving you a job bless. You are guaranteed. Big up on yourself, my family. One big up Canada right now too in the comments. See how the YouTuber shout out over Canada. Yeah. Bless up on yourself, Trinidad. The people Bahamas go on. Yeah. Up at US. I don't know a lady race right now. So I want to know say I love my love on her right now. I'm here. Yeah. St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Big up on yourself, Cornwall District, Cornwall PO. Yeah, more life and more joy. You know how it go.